The Guyana government plans to challenge a high court ruling that a strike by teachers earlier this year was legal and justified, and that the government's plan to deduct pay from the striking educators is unconstitutional. The Guyana Teachers Union had gone to court to challenge the government's actions, and this followed a month-long strike that began in early February over the administration's failure to engage in collective bargaining with the union.
Where this judge has taken us and taken the law, no other country in the Western Hemisphere has gone. No other judiciary has made the type of pronouncements that this judge has made in this ruling. And that is why it is of monumental importance that this matter be reviewed by our highest court, if possible, and that there be a stay of execution against the ruling in its entirety. And that's what the government plans to do.
The Attorney General suggested that the ruling was judicial overreach. He said it was not a well-thought-out judgment and it would have repercussions for industrial relations action in the future.
Wittingly or unwittingly, what the Honorable Judge has done is that he has laid the platform for every single strike action now to end up in the court. Why? Because every employer will say that he is reasonable and that the worker is unreasonable. Every union will say that the union is reasonable and the employer is unreasonable. To determine the reasonableness now or the lack of reasonableness, how do you determine that? So the court will now become an industrial center. That is not the function of the court.
We're your one source for everything Caribbean. Download and subscribe to One Caribbean Television to stay connected anytime, anywhere.